Sari Stars. How are things going on in your sareeing world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a fantastic collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk sarees. All these sarees are woven with pure zari, and we have some beautiful colors and designs that are just perfect for the wedding season. So let's get started with these sarees. We begin with a gorgeous Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very lovely shade of green. This is a Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sari. Vairavusi means diamond needles, and this design is called so because of the zari lines that run along the length of the sari. The body of the sari is a gorgeous green and the Vairavusi lines run along the length of the sari. There are floral zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders have darbar-pet motifs in zari and the beautiful maroon selvage gives it a totally different look. The grand, elaborate and intricate pallu has zari motifs of gudara, that is horses, pakshis and mile chakram motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse or a maroon blouse. A ruby adige or a diamond necklace will look fabulous with this sari. This sari is perfect for special occasions like Nishchaydartham and bridal events like Unjal. A lovely, fresh, beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a combination of yellow and green. The body of the sari is a beautiful yellow and there are green cuttams all over the body of the sari. The borders are in green and there are quilkan motifs in zari. The short green pallu of the sari has seepareka in zari. The sari has a green blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. Ruby jewellery, gold jewellery and silver jewellery will look beautiful with this sari. This combination of green and yellow is very fresh and very different, making this sari absolutely beautiful. Madatuli or raindrop is a very mesmerizing motif in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a gorgeous one for you in a beautiful combination of pink and purple. The body of the sari is a very pretty pink and there are Madatuli or raindrop motifs in zari all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a beautiful purple and there are two stripes of zari on the borders. The pallu of the sari is in purple and it has seepareka in zari. The sari has a purple blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. Traditional gold jewellery and pearl jewellery will look beautiful with this sari. The color combination of the sari is very festive and very pretty, making it perfect for special occasions and events. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a color that is loved by many of us. This one is in a very beautiful shade of blue. The sari is in a very royal shade of blue, and this is one of our most popular and best selling saris. The sari has zari stripes all over the body, and there are beautiful lotus motifs in zari along the borders. The pallu of the sari has a broad band of sipareke in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse or an ivory blouse. Pearl jewelry, traditional gold jewelry, and diamond jewelry will look very nice with this sari. This sari spells sheer elegance and grace, and you can wear it to office. You can also wear it for occasions and events. Iron Butta or Thousand Butta is a must-have design in every Kanjivaram sari lover's wardrobe. We have a lovely one for you in a beautiful combination of lavender and magenta. The body of the sari is a lovely lavender, and there are Mail Chakram buttas in thread all over the body of the sari. The borders are a beautiful magenta, and there are two stripes of zari along the borders. The grand magenta pallu of the sari has Mail Chakram, diamonds, and Pakshi motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari comes with a magenta blouse fabric in the same color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. Traditional gold jewelry will look very beautiful with this sari. This sari brings together the contemporary lavender color with the traditional Mail Chakram design of Kanjivarams. This is a Kanjivaram that lovers of pastel shades will absolutely love. This is a beautiful pastel pista green. This pista green is a trending color this year, and this Kanjivaram silk sari in pista green has circular zari motifs on the body. This sari doesn't have borders. There is a short pink selvage and a zari stripe along the selvages. The deep pink pallu of the sari has zari motifs of Yali, which is a mythical creature, paisley or mango motifs, and diamond motifs, all done in zari. The sari has a pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A ruby adige will enhance the look of the sari. The pastel subtle color of the body is offset by the beautiful festive Rani pink, giving this sari a very unique and beautiful look. The wedding season is in full swing, and what better than a Kalyana Arakku Vairavusi for these special occasions. This is a classic bridal color. It is a beautiful Kalyana Arakku or deep maroon, and this is a Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari has the Vairavusi lines running along the length of the sari, and there are lovely Mail Chakram motifs in zari all over the body of the sari. The borders are very unique, and they have Yana or elephant motifs and Pakshi motifs done in zari. The selvage of the sari is in a beautiful short green. The pallu of the sari is very grand and intricate, and it has unique tambalam, which is a gifting tray motifs. There are also Banaras motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful short green blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. Traditional gold or diamond jewelry will match this sari perfectly. If you're a bride to be or if you're shopping for a bride, then this sari is just perfect for that occasion. We begin with a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari with all over cuttams or checks, and this is in a lovely auspicious combination of green and maroon. The body of this fabulous Kanjivaram silk sari has all over cuttams or checks in shades of green, mustard and rust orange. The borders have quill cut motifs in zari and there is a beautiful emerald green selvage. The deep Arakku pallu of the sari has Seepu in zari. The sari has an Arakku blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. Traditional gold and diamond jewelry will highlight the festive look of this sari. Iron buttas or thousand buttas is a must-have design in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a fabulous one for you in a very special and lovely combination. The base of this Kanjivaram silk sari is reddish and the iron buttas or mild chakram buttas are done in thread in an ivory color all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a beautiful red with yellow selvages. There are two stripes of zari along these borders. The pallu of the sari is in gorgeous red and it has Tarambureke in zari. The sari has a lovely deep red blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful bottle green blouse. A lovely emerald or jade adige will look fabulous with this sari. A very unique and exclusive Kanjivaram. This one is in a very rare shade. The color is that of a dried chili or a very deep maroon. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in this lovely chili maroon color and there are mild chakram motifs in zari all over the body of the sari. The borders have vanki motifs in zari and there are two purple stripes along the borders. These borders give a lot of beauty to this sari. The pallu of the sari has zari bands. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with an ivory or gold tissue blouse. Diamond jewelry is sure to make a stunning effect with this sari. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a vintage color. This one is one of my absolute favorites. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely vintage navy blue color and there are zari floral buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders have quill cut motifs in zari. The pallu of the sari is very unique with zari motifs and a greyish blue band. The zari motifs are those of yali and gudara, that is horse motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a blouse in the bluish grey selvage or the band in the pallu. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. This color combination, the vintage blue and the vintage pallu, is one of our special picks for you today. A Kanjivaram silk sari that is sure to make heads turn. This one has a beautiful corner paisley and the color is a lovely rich plum. The body of the sari is a rich, deep, gorgeous plum and there is a zari stripe along the edges of the sari. What makes this sari special is the lovely corner paisley at either end, and each of these paisleys has peacock motifs in zari. The zari bands of the pallu enhance the beauty of this grand sari. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with an ivory or gold tissue blouse. Pearl jewelry will look fabulous with this sari. One of our much loved Kanjivaram silk saris. This one is in a very radiant red with all over cuttams or checks. This is a very elegant sari and a sari that you cannot go wrong with. It's a lovely shade of red and there are all over cuttams or checks. The borders have a row of zari motifs and a beautiful green selvage which adds a pop of color to the sari. The beautiful pallu of the sari has seepareke in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. Traditional gold jewelry or a lovely green adige will look beautiful with this sari. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari for lovers of threadwork Kanjivarams. This one is in a gorgeous, auspicious combination of yellow and pink. This is a threadwork Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is a very auspicious yellow. The borders are Korvai borders in pink and there are Verisapate motifs in thread on the borders. The pink pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs of Pakshis and Rudraksha. The sari has a pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with any kind of jewelry like gold jewelry, beaded jewelry, silver jewelry or diamond jewelry. A master weaver creation, this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a beautiful shade of Rani pink with all over cuttams. The body of this sari is a very festive Rani pink and there are all over grids or cuttams on the body. The borders are zari tissue borders and there is a beautiful peachish selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The pallu of the sari has a broad band of seepareke in zari. The sari has a pink blouse fabric with stripes on it. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful emerald green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with an emerald necklace. This is a beautiful deep green Kanjivaram silk sari and it has lovely zari buttas all over it. This gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk sari has all over circular zari buttas. The borders have zari and the motifs are Banaras and floral motifs. The grand and elaborate pallu of the sari has gorgeous zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, pakshis, vanki motifs and temple motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a beautiful gold tissue blouse. Traditional gold and diamond jewelry will enhance the beauty of this gorgeous sari. A traditional Kanjivaram silk sari with korvai borders. This one is in a fantastic combination of yellow and black. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous shade of yellow and there are cuttams or checks all over the body. The borders are korvai borders and they are in black and there are 2 rows of zari motifs along this. The motifs are Rudraksha motifs and floral motifs. The black pallu of the sari has grand zari motifs woven in adai and these motifs are yana, that is elephant, diamond motifs, rudraksha motifs and pakshi motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari has a black blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. This is a gorgeous bridal Kanjivaram and the color is a lovely shade of sea green. This is a grand bridal Kanjivaram silk sari. It's perfect for occasions like Unjal. The body of the sari is a beautiful sea green and there are zari cuttams or grids all over the body. The borders are tissue borders and there is a beautiful row of zari motifs along the borders. The spectacular pallu of the sari has gorgeous zari motifs of kudara, that is horses, pakshis and diamond shaped motifs all done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. Gold jewelry will look absolutely beautiful with this sari. A stunning Kanjivaram silk sari, which I am sure you will love if you are a fan of the actor Rekha. This one is in a gorgeous Yennarakku. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous shade of vintage Yennarakku and the borders are zari borders with Banaras motifs. The pallu is a very beautiful and long pallu and it has motifs of pakshis, diamond shaped motifs and Banaras motifs. All these are done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful gold tissue blouse. A diamond necklace will enhance the look of this gorgeous sari. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a vintage design. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram in a combination that many of us love, pink and purple. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very pastel shade of pink and there are zari lines running along the width of the sari. The borders are Korvai borders in a beautiful deep magenta purple. There are 2 rows of Rudraksha motifs and temples along the borders. The gorgeous deep magenta purple pallu of the sari has zari lines. The sari has a beautiful blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu and the borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a blouse in the selvage color. You can accessorize this sari with delicate gold jewelry, diamond jewelry or other studded jewelry. A gorgeous deep wine Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is perfect for bridal and special occasions. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous deep wine color. There are zari grids all over the body of the sari and the borders of the sari have tissue. The pallu of the sari is absolutely breathtaking and has intricate zari motifs of gudara, that is horses, pakshis and floral diamond shaped motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse. Traditional gold jewelry and diamond jewelry will look stunning with this sari. A very unique and exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous ice blue shade. The body of the stunning Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely ice blue color and there are pin stripes running along the length of the sari. The borders have cuttams in a combination of blue and magenta with mild chakram motifs. This sari brings together two beautiful elements of the Kanjivaram, that is the stripes or kodu and the kattam or checks. The gorgeous blue pallu of the sari has zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, and pakshi motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful magenta blouse. A gold necklace or diamond necklace will look stunning with this sari. Kattams or checks are loved by many of us. We have a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari with kattams, but in a very contemporary combination of pink and cream. This Kanjivaram silk sari has kattams or checks in a very contemporary combination of shades of pink and shades of cream. There are also floral zari buttas on the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a stripe of zari along the edges. The deep pink pallu of the sari has floral zari buttas and diamond-shaped zari buttas. The sari has a deep pink blouse fabric with floral zari motifs. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A lovely green emerald or jade choker will enhance the look of this sari. A classic Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a stunning yenna arakku or deep maroon. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely yenna arakku or deep maroon, and the borders are in a combination of red, orange and green. This border gives a beautiful look to this sari. The pallu of the sari has sipareke in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse or orange blouse. A coral necklace or green jade necklace will look fabulous with this sari. A Kanjivaram silk sari inspired by nature. This one has very cute deer motifs on a beautiful combination of two shades of green. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a stunning emerald green, and there are vertical stripes, that is stripes running along the width of the sari. The borders are in a lighter shade of green, and there are lovely deer or man motifs in zari on the borders. The pallu of the sari has zari lines. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse. A lovely gold necklace or kemp adiga will look beautiful with this sari. A gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari with the vintage plus buttas on the body. This one is in a fabulous combination of rose orange and deep pink. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very festive color of rose orange and there are plus shaped buttas done in zari all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a beautiful deep pink and there are darbar motifs in zari. The deep pink pallu of the sari has beautiful zari motifs of mile chakram and diamonds. The sari has a deep pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a traditional gold necklace. If you love classic, elegant Kanjivaram silk saris, then this one is just perfect for you. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari has muthukattam or small checks in a combination of golden yellow and off-white. This sari doesn't have borders. There is a stripe of zari along the short blue colored selvages. The pallu of the sari is in a stunning short sea green and it has seepareke in sari. The sari has a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A lovely beaded necklace or gold jewelry will look stunning with this sari. A timeless Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has podi kattam or very tiny checks. The body of the sari has podi kattam or very tiny checks in a beautiful combination of white and plum. The borders are Korvai borders with temples along them and the borders are in a beautiful plum purple color. The purple pallu of the sari has Tharambu Rekha. This is a no zari Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari and it's perfect for all kinds of occasions. The sari has a purple blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. Silver jewelry, beaded jewelry and pearl jewelry will all look very nice with this sari. This is a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in the vintage Nagapara color with beautiful zari motifs on the body. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in the gorgeous vintage Nagapara color and there are circular zari motifs all over the body. There are two stripes of zari along the edges of the sari and a beautiful pink selvage. The pallu of the sari has seepareke in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse or ivory blouse. Traditional gold jewelry will look beautiful with this sari. This is an extremely festive Kanjivaram silk sari and the color is a beautiful orange rose. The body of the sari is a gorgeous orange rose mixed color. It's a dual tone or doop chow shade. There are circular zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders have diamond shaped motifs and the border is on a pink base. The pallu of the sari is absolutely majestic and gorgeous. It has beautiful, intricate, and elaborate zari motifs of pakshis, yana that is elephants, and diamond shaped motifs. All these are done on zari on a pink base. The sari has a deep pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold jewelry or diamond jewelry. This Kanjivaram silk sari is very festive and the pretty pink and orange mix makes it perfect for bridal occasions like Unjal. Pai Kattam is a Kanjivaram design where the body of the sari has grids and it has a textured appearance. This is a beautiful Pai Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari in shades of purple. Pai Kattam is also called Chatai weave in the eastern parts of India. This sari has a matte-like texture, it has a beautiful appearance and there are all over kattams in shades of purple on the body. The borders have tissue zari borders and there is a deep purple selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The pallu of the sari is in deep purple and it has seepareke in zari. The sari has a deep purple blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. Pearl jewelry and delicate silver jewelry will look fantastic with this sari. Mail Kazhuthu or the color of the peacock's neck is a rich color which we find in Kanjivaram silk saris and it looks very festive and gorgeous due to its beautiful mix of blue and green. This is a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in this royal color. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous Mail Kazhuthu color. You can see the beautiful dual tone or doop charm look here. There are circular zari buttas all over the body of the sari and the borders are zari borders and the motifs are Mailkand motifs and Vanki motifs. The pallu of the sari has motifs similar to those on the borders. The sari has a rustish blouse fabric which goes perfectly with the sari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a nice coral necklace. A threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very pretty shade of pink. The body of the sari is in a very pretty shade of pastel pink and there are floral threadwork motifs all over the body. The borders have floral motifs and they are completely done in thread. The pallu of the sari is in a similar color scheme as the borders and it has beautiful threadwork motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a blouse in the color of the selvage. You can accessorize this sari with pearl jewelry or other beaded jewelry. At Kalpavastram, we have Kanjivarams for all kinds of occasions, including bridal occasions and events. To shop for our collection of exquisite hand-woven Kanjivaram silk saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.